but just in case, tell me the whole thing again. I wasn't listening.
Okay, all the people of the universe were once free to travel and mingle and build whatever they wanted. But President Business was confused by all the chaos. So he erected walls between the worlds and became obsessed with order and perfection. And he stole a mysterious secret super weapon called the Kraken! And he hired Bad Cop to hunt down all the
Mingle. To be with, or among other people.
Thanks for inviting me to your party. Sorry I haven't really been mingling. I get kind of awkward at parties.
Chaos. Complete disorder and confusion.
Introduce a little anarchy. Upset the established order, and everything becomes chaos.
Erect. To build a building, wall, or other structure.
Listen, I'm a big supporter of fixing potholes and erecting swing sets and building shelter.
Obsessed. Too interested in, or worried about something.
He spends all his days singularly obsessed planning the festival to honor your father.
President Business, we're trying to locate the fugitive, but his face is so generic it matches every other face in our database.
Diabolical.
Okay, have Bad Cop meet me in my office in 23 seconds. Ciao.
Coffee sales are through the roof, sir.
Glad to hear it. Let's rebuild that roof.
Fugitive. A person who is running away or hiding.
Recently seen on the island of Tortuga, then left in the company of the known pirate Jack Sparrow and other fugitives from justice.
Generic. Not specific, common.
This game is supposed to be generic things like, never have I ever slept with a celebrity.
Diabolical. Very evil but often intelligent.
His methods were very simple, but they were diabolical.
You had a vision.
I did?
Master builders spend years training themselves to clear their minds enough to have even a fleeting glimpse of the man upstairs, and yet your mind is already so prodigiously empty that there is nothing in it to clear away in the first place. With proper training, you could become a great master builder.
Fleeting. Short or quick.
Kyle has shown us so many things. How fleeting the time we spend on this earth really is.
Prodigious. Extremely great in ability, amount, or strength.
You have a prodigious talent. No, you...
With a hook for a hand is really hard. This be impossible! The last time we tried to storm Lord Business's office, we used every plan we could conceive. The result was a massacre too terrible to speak of. Who are you? The name be Metalbeard, and I'll tell you me tale of woe.
Oh, great. Here we go again.
I arrived at the foot of the tower with me hardy...
Conceive. To imagine something.
No. They can't conceive of our idea of the Christian God.
massacre, and act of killing a lot of people.
Tell you, Tim, this crowd came here tonight expecting a massacre, but instead they're getting a war.
Woe. Extreme sadness.
If there were reason for these miseries, then into limits can I find my woes!
Never help you. Whatever you say, boss.
Then, once the instructions are printed, Wildstyle and I will enter the Craggle room, place the thing on the other thing, and save the universe. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Hey, I didn't draw that. Is that me exploding?
I didn't mention that earlier. When you reunite the piece with the crackle, it might explode?
No, but it might not, right?
Sure. Let's go with that.
Attention, everybody. Incoming speaker.
Explode. To burst violently and usually with a loud noise.
The bomb will explode in less than half an hour.
Mention. To speak about someone or something briefly.
So listen, did I mention that I have a fake boyfriend?
Reunite. To bring together again.
Papa, do you really believe we're ever gonna get home to the other Smurfs?
Don't worry. We'll be reunited with the others soon enough.